Hey guys, what's going on? DJ Ricky J here. This is for the 5-ounce silver shotgun shell. This is pretty cool. It's a nice piece actually. Anyway, we're full. I am gonna go live. The time here, as you can see in the upper left-hand corner, is 10:10. It's about to be 10:11. We're gonna come over to our dice roller. I roll 2 dice. We're going 5 times, everybody. Um, didn't copy over the list. Anyway, here's our list as it is in the thread. Copying it here. And we'll go ahead and run through it. Let's see here. Travis for 2, Brian, Michael, Vinny, Dallas, Brian, McDell, Dallas, Travis, McDell, Mark, Brian, Rex for 2, Vinny, Travis, Mike, Puncho, Steve, Ray, 2 for Jeff, Mike, Gary, Dallas, Mr. Anderson, Mike, Mark, Steve Anderson, Michael Cash, Gary, Ernest for 2, Steve, Dallas, Mr. Anderson for another, and Mr. Hornbeck with the last 3. Alright guys, I believe I said 5 times. Here we go. Good luck everyone. First time, Steve Anderson on top. Second time, Mark on top. Third time, Gary on top. Fourth time, Dallas Cortez on top. Time up top is 10:12. We've got 40 items on the list. We've gone 4 times. Dice say 5. Fifth and final time. Good luck, everyone. Thank you all for getting in this. I appreciate it. Here we go. Gary J. Co. Gary, give me your info, and I will get this out to you, brother. Thank you, everybody. Here we are, 40 items on the list. We've gone 5 times. Dice show 5. And we are coming over here. We're going to go done. 10:13 it just turned. So there we are. We're done. 10:13. Gary, get me your info, brother, and I'll get this out to you.